What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man back on that video, and today we're going to be talking about these Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0s that released this morning. I know you've seen a lot of people live streaming trying to cop them, and it was not that easy to grab these things, man. On footlocker.com, finishline.com, JD Sports, a whole bunch of spots, East Bay, a lot of them had a lot of traffic on their site, and you cannot even get through to purchase the shoe. Even when you did get through, you try to add your size to the cart. I had to get the giveaway winner size 10. It kept saying that this shoe was out of stock. It was an error. It cannot add to the cart, man. So I kept trying. I even tried on Sneakers app, of course, and I literally finished everything before 9:01. It was still 9 o'clock when I went through, got the size 10, got the shipping and stuff like that, and it still gave me an L. And that L took a minute for me to get, man. I had to wait 15 minutes to go back on the app and for them to tell me that I took an L on this shoe, man. So today was not a good day. And I know you guys, of course, know that the Yeezy 700 V3s dropped, the all black colorway that me and JumperManKris went on live and tried to cop them. That was a super hard cop as well, man. We waited on there for like over 2.5 hours trying to cop that shoe. We tried on Yeezy Supply, we tried on Adidas.com, but it kept giving us L's. And when we was on Yeezy Supply, it kept giving us error messages every like 5 minutes. So we was like, man, just forget Yeezy Supply, let's just go straight to Adidas. And then we waited there for like another hour and a half, and we took another big L, man. But Chris got the Air Jordan 1 Core Purples, which I'm happy for him. He got those. I already got my pair, but I really wanted to get the giveaway winner size for retail. So now your boy got to go on GOAT or hit up a reseller so I can get that size 10 for that giveaway winner, man. It's been a lot of L's for your boy today. I thought I was gonna get lucky today. Everybody at home, you know this little dilemma or pandemic, whatever you want to call it, is going on right now. So I'm like, man, it's gonna be an easy cop. Nobody's gonna be buying shoes, but boy, did I think wrong. And I can just imagine if I try to go for my size 9, which is like the most popular size for resellers, that size 8.5 and size 9. I knew I would have taken an L on those as well, man. But you know, the bots and stuff like that was all over Adidas.com. They were all over Foot Locker, Finish Line, JD Sports. It was so many people that got these Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0s, but I'm hoping and guessing that some of the stores that here locally that got their shoes that was not able to release them and was not able to ship their sizes out because they're in the store and they can't go, I can go there and get that size 10, man. So hopefully whenever this stuff is over, most of the stores is opening up at the end of this month, so hopefully I can get my giveaway winner size for retail. And I want to double up on these joints, man. I want a pair to beat up, and I need a pair, you know what I'm saying, to throw on ice. You guys already know what your boy got to do with them Air Jordan 1s. I really love Jordan 1s. Jordan 1's been growing on me. I've been seeing a lot of different people's collection and stuff like that. And I'm like, man, I need to get my one game up, you feel me? So Air Jordan 1s is like an easy cop for me whenever Air Jordan 1 come out, man. I love the OG color blocking. And the Nike Sneakers app even asked that in a poll, I think right before the release for these, man. They said, do you like the purple outsole or do you like the OG color blocking, man? So, and I always said that I love the OG color blocking, and it just make the shoe look so much better, man, with that purple hit. So right now in the comment section below, let me know if you cop these Air Jordan 1 Core Purple 2.0s, and let me know if you cop the Adidas Yeezy 700 V3, the all triple black joints, man. Those are super fire. The prices on these right here are going for around $250, which I thought was gonna drop all the way down, but it's staying steady at that $250 price range. So I definitely see the size rising up after this whole situation we're going through is over. I definitely see these cracking 300 super fast, man. And if you guys don't know, those 700 V3s, the triple black joints is going for like $350 plus, man. I can only see that size like dipping a little bit, just like JumperManKris sounding live, man. Only makes sense and for it to take right back off. If you guys don't remember the first pair, the Zeals that dropped, them joints is going for like $600-700 in the size 9. And I already know that these all black shoes that goes with everything, everybody loves all black shoes, are gonna rise in price as well, man. But hopefully we get a major restock around like Black Friday time frame. After this whole little pandemic is over, I can see a lot of these shoes restocking and a lot of people going back and getting those delayed W's. Before we end this video, man, I wanted to unbox or unpackage a couple of things. The first one is from Kicknology, man. Shouts out to Kicknology. This is Autism Awareness Month, and you want to send me something out, and you always tell me to wear something blue throughout the month, man. I always know that my Apple Watch has some blue hits in it, man. So I guess I am supporting the cause and supporting the movement. So let's go ahead and get into this real quick. And yeah, here we go, man. Send you this little card right here, man. Light it up for Ace, and it tells you to follow Kicknology and stuff like that. And the hashtag light it up for Ace, man. I'm gonna link his YouTube channel and his Instagram down below in the description box. And then he sent me this dog tag that I always see him wear on his videos. Very dope dog tag, man. I really like it. And it's dope for Autism Awareness Month, you feel me? So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this joint on. I appreciate you for, you know what I'm saying, sending this over to your boy. And I'm glad you're bringing up awareness for Autism Awareness. All right, and the next thing I got is from JumperManKris, man. Let's go ahead and pull it out. I think I got a one-of-one piece from my boy. Like I said, we was just on live stream this morning, but he was selling some merch, and you know your boy had to cop a piece of the merch, man. And here you have it, here you have it. check it out. You got the JMK up here, JumperManKris. You got the signature up top, you feel me? You know, I had to be different, man. I was like, bro, go ahead and throw the signature on there. And he did, man. So you can see his signature right there from JumperManKris. Shouts out to my boy. Very cool dude, very cool cat, man. If you have not subscribed to him, man, go ahead to his channel. He got dope content. He's dropping bangers for you guys. Through this whole pandemic, he gave me something to be entertained with. Everybody loves sneakers, so go subscribe to my boy JumperManKris, man. On the back it says, not all heroes wear capes, but some wear Jordans, man. You got the Jordan 1 breads on the back, man, which is my favorite shoe. Maybe when I get my bread ones, I'm gonna definitely throw this together. And maybe when it's a little bit cooler in San Antonio, boy, can definitely rock this. Here you have it, man. I got this from JumperManKris and this from Kicknology, man. I appreciate both of you guys for sending this over to your boy, The Vintage. You guys already know I have an unboxing for you guys, but I'm gonna save it for another day. You guys know I gotta space the content out a little bit for you guys. Not a lot of shoes releasing. Next week we'll be talking about some Yeezys that's supposed to be releasing. But this one right here is a very dope video that I want to save for you guys. So make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. Like the video right now. To go for every video is 200 likes. So right now, slap that like button. Head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DEVINTAGE. It'll be linked down below in the description box, of course. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.